Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. kvCORE users, I have great news for you. We've added a ton of new fields from kvCORE that can now be synced to Google Contacts, your iPhone, MailChimp, Constant Contact, all your favorite apps that you're already connected to kvCORE. So let me show you how to set that sync up. You just have to update your sync so that all those new fields are available. So the first thing you're going to do is go to apination.com. and you're going to sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to see the syncs you currently have. So I have a kvCORE to Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I have all my people going to this spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So you can see that some fields, this is what we started with: zip, state, city, lead origin. Helpful to get a backup of all my leads, but we've expanded this. So this is what you should expect. All these different fields: first name, last name, email, cell phone, home phone, work phone, address, lead type, lead owner, all the hashtags, spouse name, birthday, gender, deal type. All this stuff is going to be available to sync to your different apps. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go into workflows. I want that. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to get rid of this original workflow. So I'm coming out here to settings. You can see here's the settings for this workflow. If you want, if you're not totally sure exactly how it's set up, what you can do is right click and then hit print and then save the settings as a PDF to maybe your desktop or something. That way you can just refer back to it when you set up this new replacement sync. Definitely an option, but I'm going to scroll to the bottom and get rid of this workflow and create my new one. Remove workflow and delete. Okay, so the workflow is gone. Now I'm going to go to apps. Click on My Apps and reset up this workflow. So I'm going to do the same thing: kvCORE, Google Sheets, and go through the process of connecting Google Sheets and kvCORE again. And once I do this, I'll have all those new fields available in my new app. And I'm using Google Sheets as an example, but you can do this with any of the apps that you've set up with kvCORE. We now have Google Contacts, iPhone, other CRMs like Chime, Brivity, Follow Up Boss, your Facebook lead ads. Obviously, now you can write whatever you want from those Facebook lead ads into kvCORE. You can assign it to agents. You can make multiple hashtags. All that stuff is available here. Realtor.com, Zillow, all that stuff can be synced with kvCORE with all the new fields. So that's it. Go in there, remove your old sync, create a new sync. You'll have all those new fields. Way more automations, which means more strategies, which means more productivity and effectiveness and more deals. If you have any questions or need any assistance, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.